Infrastructure industry plays a major role in developing an economy of a nation. The rapid growth of Indian economy has created demand for additional capacity of rail freight transportation, and this is likely to grow further in the future under the direction of the Indian government had taken up the dedicated Freight Corridor DFC project. The purpose of the project is to provide a safe and efficient freight transportation system. The first phase of the dedicated Freight Corridor Indian Railways much-awaited project is ready. This is the one of the major railway flyover bridge ETMJ1 at Lot 101. This project is being completed by Tata Eldesa JV. With the help of partners and under the surveillance of DFCCIL and Sai Tipsa PMC. With the dedicated efforts of engineers, consultants and contractors, this 75.335 meter length, 691.2 metric ton weight and 10.55 meter CC height railway flyover web girders is ready. While making this web girders, quality, safety and security was taken in priority. Open web girders are required where erection is not possible directly due to either heavy rail movement or heavy road traffic. For the fast-track implementation, state-of-the-art technology was also used in the high-strength friction grip bolts HSFG with direct tension indicator DTI washers and hydraulic torque wrench for bolt tightening made the work easier and smoother. It was a task to complete the work without blocking any other train's movement. Before the allotment of blocks, arrangement for pulling was already made. And just after the allotment, open web girder was slowly pulled from abutment 1 with the help of winch pulling. This process was carried forward by taking care of all the safety measures ensuring everyone's security at the site. After the 50-meter launching, it was time for launching on the railway track that was the most challenging task. After rechecking all the arrangements, it was further resumed and completed successfully.
इटावा डिटूर का पहला ब्रिज ETMJ1 जिसमें करीब 76 मीटर के 2 गर्डर हैं, जिसमें एक गर्डर का वजन 800 मीट्रिक टन है, जिसको लॉन्च किया और लॉन्च करने के बाद हमने उसको दोनों तरफ से ट्रैक ले कर लिया है। और ये गर्डर की लॉन्चिंग हमने अगेन कैंटिलीवर मेथड से लॉन्च किया है। इसमें ट्रैक बीम एक गर्डर के नीचे यूज़ की गई जिसमें स्टेशनरी हिलमैन रोलर थे। हिलमैन रोलर को एक एक ट्रसल के ऊपर सपोर्ट लेते हुए मूव करना था। थोड़ा सा लॉन्चिंग मेथड वो हमारी मुश्किल थी, लेकिन उसको हमने अपने परफेक्ट प्रिसीशन मेंटेन करते हुए जब लॉन्च किया तो हमें उसमें भी करीब 2 घंटे में पूरा गर्डर लॉन्च हो सका। और डिफरेंट स्टेजेस थी, जैसे कि पहला गर्डर में ट्रसल नंबर 1 तक जाना है, फिर ट्रसल नंबर 4 तक जाना है, फिर ट्रसल नंबर 6 तक जाना है। तो जब डिफरेंट समय के ट्रैफिक ब्लॉक्स लिए गए, कभी 2 घंटे का, कभी 3 घंटे का, कभी रेसिडुअल वर्क्स के लिए फिर से 2 घंटे का, इस तरह से हमने उस गर्डर को लॉन्च किया, अप लाइन का अलग से, डाउन लाइन का अलग से। तो ये भी बड़ा अच्छा गर्डर की लॉन्चिंग हमारे टाइमली कंप्लीशन से हुई, टाइमली हुई है और इसमें हमें बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस मिला है। अगेन इस टीम के लिए, इस गर्डर की लॉन्चिंग की टीम में भी हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट यूनिट है लेड बाय डिप्टी CPM, देन टाटा एल्डेसा की यूनिट है विच इज़ लेड बाय CPM, एंड देन प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट की टीम DTL जिसको लीड कर रहे थे, उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है और बहुत अपने कहना चाहिए अनटायरिंग एफर्ट्स से सारे अपना पर्सनल रिक्वायरमेंट, पर्सनल नीड्स को सेक्रीफाइस करते हुए पूरे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कमिटेड टीम ने काम किया, जिसके लिए हम उनको बहुत बहुत उनका आभार व्यक्त करते हैं, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं और उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देते हैं कि आगे भी अपने इस तरह के कमिटमेंट के साथ आगे बढ़ते रहें। थैंक यू।
This motivated team of engineers, consultants and contractors who are putting their best for the endeavor Significant improvement is proposed to be made in the existing carrying capacity by modifying basic design features. In this way, a permanent way will be constructed with significantly higher design features that will enable it to withstand heavier loads at higher speeds. After the success of major railway flyover bridge ETMJ1 at Lot 101, second railway flyover RFO to connect the DFCCIL line from Bhaupur to Etawah was started. The railway flyovers RFO is very much necessary where there is DFC alignment crossing over existing Indian Railway IR track to connect the DFCCIL line from Bhaupur to Etawah. The Bhaupur RFO needed to be built. Before launching Open Web Girder, all the technical aspects were cross-checked. Then, after receiving a green signal from Railway Traffic Block, the launching of Open Web Girder started with the eminent use of technology like using high-strength friction grip bolts SFFG, with direct tension indicator DTI washers, hydraulic torque wrench for bolt tightening and pulling methods for uninterrupted rail traffic. This RFO has been completed. Regarding launching, DFCCI, Tata Eldesa JV and PMC representatives were present at the site to ensure the launch was happening without any problem and errorless.
I am heading this project from Kanpur to Bhatora. ये प्रोजेक्ट जो 140 किलोमीटर लंबा है इस और ये APL1 का एक पार्ट है लोट 101 जो कि मेन इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्टर टाटा एल्डेसा जेवी जॉइंट वेंचर है। ये भापुर RFO जो है इसमें 3 स्पैन है। इस 48 मीटर OWG को बनाने में अराउंड 300 मीट्रिक टन जो है स्टील लगी है और इसमें अराउंड 23,000 के करीब बोल्ट नट बोल्ट थे जिसकी टॉर्किंग और टाइटनिंग करके इसको कंप्लीट किया गया है। अराउंड 45 डेज का टाइम लगा और आज जो है हम इसका 3 घंटे के मेगा ब्लॉक में इसको हम आज IR के ऊपर लॉन्च करने जा रहे हैं।
For the launching, cantilevers with pulling technique was used, which is considered best for web girder. In the process, slowly winch girder was pulled and abatement 1 touched abatement 2. And with this technique, team was able to deliver this work in the allotted time slot, which marks the success of the project.
Today we are launching the 48 meter open web girder for Bhaupur and it is between the span P1 and P2. Earlier we have completed the launching of composite girder of for span P2 A2 of 33 meter span and after that within 3 days we will be launching the girder of A1 P1 which is also of 32 meter. This was fabricated and assembled by the HMM and it was totally all the facilities were provided by Tata Elisa JV and with the help of DFCC and PMC we are completing the launching of this girder.
This process was carried forward by taking care of all this safety, ensuring everyone's security at the site. That moment filled the entire team with happiness as they paid off their hard work. With the great efforts and dedication of the Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India, DFCCIL and Tata Eldesa JV, this dream has been made possible in such a short time.